What's up guys, welcome to the 5th lesson of these terminal videos, and in this tutorial it's all about making directories. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, CD desktop, that's where we're at. So we use CD, change directory, and list everything just with one command line. The command to make a directory is make directory YouTube. There you go, we made a folder, a directory called YouTube. We can remove the directory by rmdir, and there you go, it's gone. That's it for this video. I showed you using two commands how to make and how to delete a directory using make directory and remove directory. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in lesson 6, where I show you how to make a text file, make a document file using a couple of commands from your terminal. So that's it. Thanks for now.